What is up, guys? Welcome back to Backroad Driver. Today is a huge day because we have a porch full of parts and we're going to get those on the truck in this episode. Oh yeah, look at this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 big boxes. We've got Summit, we've got Powerstop, Calvert. I'm not going to tell you what's in these two top boxes, the Summits. I'm not going to tell you what's in there. That's a surprise for later. Now, I'm slinged up. I don't know how I'm going to get these. I want to show you what's in these boxes, most of what's in these boxes, but I don't know how I'm going to get it in the house. I tried this trick a few videos ago with the snap thing, and it worked out beautifully. I was able to get the badges on the truck by just snapping those front gray badges. So let's try that again. This is my sling arm, if you can't tell. Here we go. You ready? Whoa! It worked! Let's check this stuff out. We'll start with the, and I'm having to film myself today, guys, so you're on the head cam, you see what I see. We're here in the Backroad Driver kitchen, and we're gonna first open up these Calvert Traction Bars. I apologize if the angle's not right. I'm working with one arm here. A one-arm wonder. We'll just unbox this stuff. We're not gonna try to put this on, obviously. I'm down with the wing. We're gonna have somebody else put all this on. But I wanted to take it out and check it out, look at it, understand it, see what we got, show you guys what we got before we get all this on. Obviously, we'll do some driving and see what it acts like. Now, this is a booger. I got staples in here that I can't cut through. I could probably do this a better way, but we'll just butcher the box. Cut that right there. This is not unbox therapy. This is butcher box therapy. Let's see. Instructions. We don't need no instructions. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Pretty beefy. Rigid. Let's check the bar out. Rolled up. Look at that. Pretty solid. Nice. Will help keep the rear end from twisting up. I'm just going to kind of tuck this back in there. So we'll have traction bars, and we'll actually be able to launch off hard instead of jacking everything up. Let's go right here next. This is the Powerstop box. I guess you already know, if you know what Powerstop is, you know what's in here. Thank goodness for magic, because I don't think I could have got these in here without being able to snap them in. Oh yeah. What do we got here? Instructions. Now we got the, we'll talk more about what we ordered when we after we get them on the truck, but I got the severe toe brake pads. They've got a little carbon fiber ceramic in them. They're supposed to be the most rigid. I'm not doing like sport track racing, but I need all the grip I can get, and you'll see why in the next few videos. So we got the brake pads, some install parts in here, paperwork on how to do it. This is the box. I'm excited. This is going to be a major performance upgrade. Well, no, performance, but also a aesthetic upgrade, which I'm definitely into. It's got to look good, it's got to ride good, it's got to fly. This is what I'm excited about. Right here, we're going to replace the, let's get this out of the bag. we're going to replace the dingy, oh yeah, that's beautiful. We're going to replace the dingy, rusted, like my factories are all rusted right here. Maybe I'll throw an overlay video to show you what that looks like. But these right here, the rotor where it mounts up looks terrible on my factories. And then I think these will look sweet with the holes and the little cuts. So the pads will stay clean, heat will dissipate. We're going to check the weight on this versus stock and see if we save any weight too. But we'll have new rotors all the way around. We'll have some new aggressive pads. I don't even care if it's a little loud because my truck's so loud, I'm not going to hear that much anyway. We've got those all the way around. We got the traction bars. Now, I'm going to assume this box is just the other side's rotors and pads. So let's get all this in the back of the truck and get it up to Matlock Tire and Auto Repair. Let's try the snap again. Boom! Ah, I forgot that I need some tape and some paint. Boom! There we go. That's what we need. All right, John. Appreciate you, man.
All righty.
Back, we've got new rotors, we've got red painted calipers, we've got aggressive pads, a little carbon ceramic in them. I think it sets it off, looks good. Matlock was not able to put the traction bars on, but we've got another shop lined up for that. It was just maybe not necessarily too technical, but not in their wheelhouse, but we've got somebody that can do that. Let's go see them. It's a new day. We're headed into Line X of Knoxville to get these traction bars on. After we get those traction bars on, we're gonna hook it and book it. So should only be a couple hours from now, and we'll be able to see what they look like. All right, so we've picked up, the traction bars are on. They were about to close, so we went ahead and pulled down into another parking lot so we could give you a look. And then I think you're probably gonna wanna see how these run. They did a couple pulls in the parking lot. It's pretty crazy. Well, let's take a look. So they look pretty cool. They mount up to the frame, and then they also mount back under the axle. So everything right there's got to come off, and then they put this in line, put it back on, and this is really thick and really tight, and it keeps my axle from wrapping. I know a lot of you guys know exactly what these do, but some people don't. My mom watches my videos, so I got to break it down for you. They look really cool. You're not going to see them standing, but if you know what you're looking at and come out of Walmart and you're a guy, you're going to know what they are. You'll see some tires up in there. Those were the tires that actually came on this truck. They just came off of Sam's Lariat. He's got something new you'll see in another video. These dudes look really cool. You can actually get a better view here. Now, apologize in advance. This video is long, and I know you want to see how these perform. So I'm releasing 2 at one time, and my video showing how these hook is in the end card right now, or will be in just a second if it's not already on the screen. It's also down in the description. So this is a double play day. Go ahead and watch that next video to see how these bad boys hook up. We'll see you in just a second. Make sure you subscribe. Does it annoy you that my tires, calipers, and wheels, and is that all that rubber? If that annoys you, I'm still not gonna clean it, because I don't really even like a clean truck, because it's a truck. It's just the way it is.